My name is Jacob Elliott. I am a first-year student here at Jamestown Community College, and I'm studying welding and technology. Welding kind of fascinated me from a long time ago. My grandpa is a welder, a long time. My dad was for a couple of years, but my grandpa always had stuff lying around the house. I was always questioning what it was, and in general, the idea of welding kind of intrigued me, so I went and I took it at BOCES for my junior and senior year, and then it brought me here. I could have gotten right into the field. I currently am in the field, but I decided that associates would be good and look good when I would go to put it on any sort of formal application that I would submit to any companies or anything like that. And in the long run, if I ever decided to do a 4-year degree program, I'm already halfway there. Here at JCC, we work on MIG, TIG, and stick welding. We do them all. Everything from flux core to hardwire, and then TIG welding we do stainless and aluminum and carbon. Now we're getting to the advanced classes, which is welding on really small diameter pipe, which makes it more difficult. It's the challenge for me. I enjoy the challenge, so probably my stick class that I'm currently taking right now, advanced stick, welding around that 2-inch pipe. It's nothing easy, not everyone can do it, but my goal is I want to be able to, be that low percentile, be able to do something that other people can't say that they can do. It's definitely a great program. There's lots of people here with lots of experience. The instructors here are great. Relatively low people in the classes. It gives you more of that one-on-one time where they can really help you figure out the process you're doing and how to do it to the best of your ability.